Alright, so we got another little project here. I came on the boat this evening and the microwave door was standing wide open. Came on the boat and it was like standing wide open. The boat's completely dark and the door standing open. And now the door will not shut. So what we're thinking is the spring in here that holds these latches is probably broken. So my trusty helper is going to help me dig into this, and we're going to see if we can make it fix tonight. Alright, so what we're going to do is pop this piece of cover trim off and see if there's a spring back in here. Never done this before, so could totally destroy it. Should be able to see the broken spring almost. Alright. Oh, I see it. You see the spring in there? It's a small spring right there. And it is pulled off. So let me see. Oh, look, that comes right out. I would imagine that is broken. So that spring went over a little hook and eventually just broke that tab off. Yep, right there lays the tab. Just fell out. So the spring is still good. So what we'll do is see if I've got a drill bit. We'll drill a new hole and put the spring through. Or maybe I'll get something hot and burn a hole through if I don't have any drill bits on the boat. Alright, let me see if I got the tools. Alright, I didn't have any drill bits on the boat, but I think I've got an idea. I'm going to use a screw very carefully and see if I can make a hole in this without tearing it up. If you're at home, have a drill bit, of course use a drill bit, but I don't have one. Okay, went through that side, and then we'll go this way. I think that's good enough to get my spring through. So we got a little hole. Let's see if we can put it back in now. Okay, so the spring, there's a tab up here that has a hole in it, and a tab down here that has a hole in it. And these ride in those holes. So the spring goes in the middle. Let's see if the spring fits back into our new drilled hole. Okay, and it did. So let's see if we can get these lined back up with these holes. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, we got it all snapped back in place, the trim's back in place. And let's see if it works. It works. So now when we shut the door, the light turns off. Alright, pretty easy fix. Didn't cost us nothing. Thanks for watching.